Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video we're going to be installing some mods to the JCW. Now what we've got in today's video that we're going to be putting on is a brand new black, bigger, more aggressive bonnet scoop, some brand new like side indicators, and we've got something else which I just found online which I thought might look quite cool, and that is underneath the bonnet, which I think we may as well just start off with. That was good. Okay, so apologies if it's a little bit windy, but what we're going to be doing is I've bought red letters to like go over the top of this right here and on top of the mini badge. So yeah, let's start off with that right now. Okay, so I actually have all of the mods in this box right here. So let's get these out right now and let's put them on the car. Alright, so the badges that we have in question is a mini badge in red. That lettering will just go over the top of that. Then we have a black background which will go on that, and then the red mini badge which will go on the top. So I think what we're going to do first is the mini badge. Alright, let's hope this is not too difficult. Alright, there is the black mini bit on. If it doesn't look any good, like when it's all on, I'll just take it off. But just maybe switching it up, maybe brighten up the engine bay a little bit. Alright, yeah, you know what, I'm going to leave it on there. It's not 100% perfect. At first glance, that just brightens up the engine bay a bit. So I'm going to leave it. Alright, now it's time for the mini badge. Peel this off. Okay. That mini one's come out insane. Look how bright that is. That looks so sick. This one, I'm not 100% sure on. It's a bit rough, but we're going to just leave it on because you want to notice it up close. But from here, that looks insane. I absolutely love that. That is unreal. That is a successful mod, and now it is time to do the roof scoop, starting off with this T20 screw under here. Roof scoop? What am I on about? Bonnet scoop. Alright, so underneath the bonnet, to do the bonnet scoop, what you want to do is get a T20 screwdriver. What you want to do is just loosen this bolt right here. Being careful not to drop it, because that could easily fall in there, but there you go. Literally, that is the screw that you want to get out. Keep this one safe because you've already put it back in. And then close the bonnet. Okay, now the bonnet is closed, what you want to do is just get some pry tools, whatever, and just pry this scoop out. Alright, and there is the bonnet scoop off. You actually have to be quite forceful with that. Alright, so if these little white clips have been left in, what you want to do is just get one of these tools here that you can grab them with and pull them out like that. So yeah, it turns out when I did this, it actually did snap a couple of the clips off, so this is not really usable anymore. So let's carry on like nothing happened. Okay, so this is the new bonnet scoop that we're putting on. I've also been supplied with some black clips that should come with it when you buy one. This one's from Kill All Chrome. So what we've got to do is put these on, and then it should just clip in to the original holes. Okay, so all the clips have been slid in. It's very easy. You literally just slide them in like so, pop them in. Line up this spiky bit here with this hole here, so like that, and now that is in place, we should be able to press on it and it'll just pop in. Close the bonnet, and now alright, and now that is in place, but we need to put the old screw back in so that it is fully secure. Doesn't need to go in really tight, but just enough to hold it in place. Here we go, the moment of truth, the final reveal. Oh yes, oh that looks insane. Oh my god. How good does that look with the black? Oh, that looks so sick. It's slightly raised and it's slightly bigger as well. Like it's got these like little lips out the front here, which just make it a bit bigger, and that, oh, it's so shiny and nice. Oh, I'm so pleased with that. That is a mod you have to do. Look at it. And now it leaves these sticking out like a sore thumb, but luckily we've got these to change right now. Okay, so we are moving straight onto these. Now, I'm pretty sure the way you get these out is literally by lifting it up, and it should pop out, but let's have a look. There we go. Need a bit of force, but it does come out, and then we got a wire behind here. Alright, there we go. So you basically just twist the whole thing and slide it out, and then we have the bulb here. So the bulb either side has these small little clips that you need to push in, and then it will come out. Or do you? Oh no you don't, I'm chatting was. You just pull the bulb out. Right, okay. That makes that a lot easier. And now we need to get the new one, plug it in, and then it should slide back in. Okay, just so you guys can get a good idea of how this works, basically it goes like that. These clips here hook over the back there, and this is a clip here that is like a, you know, the reason you're pulling it up is to pull that in like that, that pulls in, and then these come unhooked. Okay, so I've got two boxes. One is the light, the indicator, and one is like the added little bit you put on it. So I'm not sure what's what. So let's open the big box first. Yes, this is the correct side. So what we want to do, take the film off. Oh yes, look at that. Okay, now you have this little connector here, and basically that goes in where the bulb is. So, oh, I'm pretty sure that is in. Turned it on just to see if it works, and I hope you can see it on camera, but it's working. Even though you're never going to see this bit, it's just nice knowing that it is all looking good. What we want to do is hook this, put it in, hook these over the back. That goes in like that, and then this goes like that. That is on. Another exciting bit, which we're not done yet. Okay, so there was a few options that you could go for. There was either like a Union Jack one, you could go personalised, put what you want on it. So I could put my name on it. But what I went for in the end was a JCW Pro one. Peel the sticker off so it's nice and shiny. This will clip. Just literally push this in. Like, is that it? That is it. That looks so good. If we compare it to this side, that, look at that. Just that little bulb. Oh yes, smoked out, sweeping with the little JCW Pro little bits on it. That looks so cool. From back here, that looks insane. Alright, it's now time to do the other side. And boom, that literally took me like 5 minutes, if that, not even 5 minutes. Look at the difference. Well, look how bright that is. That is just clear, looks awful, chrome. Now, JCW Pro, smoked out, and the sweeping indicators. That is a huge difference. Okay, I've cleared up all the rubbish around the car, put it all inside, and now, without further ado, here is the